1126 Inlet View Drive is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath gem located in the gated community of Water's Edge in North Myrtle Beach. This 2.5-year-old home is situated adjacent to Cherry Grove Marsh and Hog Inlet on the Atlantic Ocean and boasts an absolutely incredible scenic location. Special features include a spacious and open floor plan, wood-look ceramic tile flooring, custom lighting, and crown moulding. The kitchen is complete with stainless appliances, granite tops, subway tile backsplash, pendant lighting, and a huge counter height island with ample seating for 3. A mantled electric fireplace adorns the large living room, which leads to a huge patio with awning and fencing. The front and back yards feature irrigation, palm trees, rain sensors, and solar lighting. Aside from the included amenities, such as a private pool and exercise room, the Water's Edge community provides access to one of the most alluring and tranquil oceanfront spots on the East Coast, offering limitless outdoor activities such as kayaking and boating, and closeness to outstanding seafood restaurants, golf courses, and shopping. Don't miss your chance at this remarkable find and becoming a part of the Water's Edge community.